Hi hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I got a problem. Look at this. This is the beautiful yellow one. Ah, but I'm not too worried because I got 6 over here. How did I get the 6? Okay, let me use this one. You see this? It has seeds in there. So I took the first one that came out. I took the seeds and I opened it and I tried it to see if it was true. So there it goes. It's growing. We got 6 in here. You know, yeah, 6. I thought it was 7, no, but it's 6. And look how beautiful it is. It's growing very fast. So by the time my mom comes and sees this, she'll be happy because I probably could give her 2 and get her happy again. That's what I think, right? Okay, so this is very how you call it? When she sees this, oh my God, she's gonna have a how you call it? Angry. And she gave me this one to take care of it. I don't know what happened to it, really. One day I woke up, I saw like a little hole or something here, like somebody, I don't know if a rat went up there or what the heck. But whatever it was, it killed it. You know. And here, but at least I got these 6. These 6, I'm gonna see. I gave my mom, and then I'm gonna see if I could take care of more seeds. They come a whole bunch in them. And this is also my mother's. Look how beautiful, you know. But they give a lot of babies. It's still so full and big and beautiful. Look at that. Oh wait, I was showing it. Look how beautiful. This one loves it. This one is growing like crazy, as you can see. My mom's. And I took a couple of them. Hey, I, I charge. So this one is mine. This is the babyest one. You know, so that way they could have enough space to move. These plants, they just tend to, if you put them in the floor, it tends to just grow and grow and grow. So that's pretty cool. I also have here. Let me get it. A lemon tree. This lemon tree is growing, but I think these grow a bit faster than this. It all depends what kind of plants you have. But they're very cool, very cool. Oh, very. Check me out. So, I also wanted to show you. Let me see if I could turn around. I, I, I don't want to show my mess. I don't want to show my mess. I don't want to show my mess. Oh yeah, this one, I don't know. Somebody threw it on my uncle's land. This was mine. My mother gave it to me for a big potting. But my uncle, when he was cleaning the area, he put it back over here. So I decided nobody's gonna throw this away. This costs, this costs a couple of bucks. So my mother gave me that too. And I want to show you that I did my. Let me see if I could do it. Okay, let me put this up. Here I got these pink flowers. They throw out a lot of seeds. I'm also gonna get seeds from this. These are the pink ones that I have outside in my raised bed. I'm just trying to see what I could do that I could earn some couple of bucks. Oh my God, I can't even move in here. I got a big one down here. So this is my bush. My bush I put in this side because I think that over here they will get more sun. The sun comes this way. It hits here, hits here, it hits there. Give me a break. I can't move. Swoocher don't want to move around. Okay. You cannot do this to me now. but I'm gonna get out. Okay, you want to see that I will get out? Okay, who makes a bet? She can do it. Yes, she can. She can do it. Yes, she can. Okay. Oh, I also changed this. You know, it was like a white thing. The thing was too flimsy, and this is a lot of weight. This is very strong. I don't even have it fully up, and it's heavy. I can't carry that thing. So, okay, whoever said I was gonna pass, won. Okay, so here we got the soursop. It's looking beautiful. Somebody broke it too. Look at this. I wonder if it's my granddaughters when they come over here to check the plants. Yeah, either way. My big daughter, she loves to, how you call it, to help me out. She doesn't like it. I say, hey, can you get me this, do that? I see her face. Oh my God, there she goes. Asking, asking, asking. So, but when I tell her, do you want to help me with my plants? Yeah, and they run over there. Now, one thing that I noticed about this, I try to do, wait a minute. You only see my finger. Okay. I try to do, how you call it, cut it, put in between another avocado, and let it grow, and you make it more smaller. Well, I did make this smaller, but not this one. But I found something very very that I didn't think about. I know you're doing them peppers. I cut it here, and it just started giving more leaves like crazy. It got 1, 2, has a baby there, 3, 4. So it's growing like a lot of leaves, and that's what I want. I didn't know I wanted it, but I didn't know how to do it. So here, as you can see, I did the same thing here because it didn't work. It died. The one that I put on this. Then so what I did was I cut this one too to try it again, and there it goes. It has a few ones growing over here, right there. There has 3 over here already, 2 over here, plus the one that is growing over here will be 3. Now I'm gonna show you the other one, the avocado that I did try to inject. Okay, hold on. Now I gotta go back again. Wait a minute. Okay, let me pick it this way so I don't. Oh, by the way, look at this. I have tomatoes. My gosh, I don't know where to carry it. I have the tomatoes that I'm planning to do now. Okay, but before I talk about the tomatoes, let me tell you about this. This is the avocado that I tried to inject with the, okay, right here. This is right here. I put the other piece here. It didn't work. It was bigger, so I cut it more for the second time. It didn't work either, but it didn't die either. So, I probably just let it grow a little bit, cut it, cut it on the side and all that. So then that way I could, I could probably still leave it as a baby. I don't want this one too much near this one because I think it's a fungi is what she has, because I scraped some white thing, so I don't want it too close with this one that it might kill it. I also want to show you, hold on, there, right here, right there. That's a tomato. I'm going to put a couple of tomatoes there. I got 2 tomatoes there that I'm going to put there. Those are 2 tomatoes. How are they going to grow up? I don't know. But if I made it grow in that corner, went over and just kept on giving, tomatoes, I could do it with this one too. So people, always try to do it. Always try to work it out. But what I really think, if you, I know for years I could get nothing growing, nothing. It will grow, die, grow, die, grow, die. The chicken will come in and tear it all up or whatever. and always something was happening that my plant, I didn't have this much plants, but this is only the half of it. I haven't shown you really the rest, but in the next video I will. This is part 1. Bye bye.